I appreciate the opportunity. Fidelis from now and so.
Yeah, they call me Fidelis from now. Just a rap like Tupac, like Dr. Dre. Ladies and gentlemen, Greenland.